Have you ever received an email that looks like it's from your bank, asking you to verify your account? You click the link, and suddenly, your personal data is compromised. Phishing attacks are on the rise, and knowing how to protect yourself is essential. In this video, we'll quickly cover what phishing attacks are, how to recognize them, and most importantly, how to protect yourself. By the end, you'll have the tools to safeguard your personal information against these scams. Phishing attacks are deceptive attempts to obtain sensitive information like usernames and passwords by pretending to be a trustworthy source. These attacks can lead to identity theft and financial loss. They often occur through email, SMS, or even phone calls. 1. Email phishing. Attackers send emails that appear to be from legitimate organizations, urging you to click on links or download attachments. 2. SMS phishing, smishing. Fraudulent text messages that create urgency, prompting you to click a link or call a number. 3. Voice phishing, vishing. Attackers impersonate legitimate organizations over the phone, asking for personal information. Here are some signs to look out for. Generic greetings. Phishing emails often use greetings like, "Dear customer." Urgent language. Messages that threaten account suspension are often scams. Suspicious links. Always hover over links to check the URL before clicking. Poor grammar. Many phishing attempts contain spelling errors. Unusual sender address. Check the sender's email carefully for slight variations. Never click unknown. Links. Avoid clicking links from unknown sources. Use strong passwords. Create complex passwords and consider a password manager. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security. Keep software updated. Regularly update your operating system and security software. Educate yourself. Share information about phishing scams with friends and family. In summary, phishing attacks are a serious threat. By recognizing the signs and implementing best practices, you can protect yourself and your personal information. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on staying safe online. Have you encountered a phishing attempt? Share your experience in the comments below.